Hi Scott.
Hi. How are you doing?
Fine, thanks.
Good.
Welcome to Sune's Corner. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm okay.
Good.
I'm okay.
Good.
Yeah. We just finished playing Canadian Open. We both lost yesterday in the first round.
Yeah, that was great.
What is your opinion about your match?
Yeah, I don't think I played so well. Unfortunately, I felt quite good actually. I didn't have a good feeling on the court.
Who did you play?
Yoshi
Ikeda from Japan. Yeah, small guy.
I just couldn't get into the game at all. I couldn't get comfortable.
Yeah.
I was having some problems with my lifts. So few too many mistakes. So that was it.
Okay, but you were trying your best.
Yeah, I gave everything I could. I tried to get into the game, trying some different things.
A few times.
Just didn't go my way. But yeah.
But there were some spectators coming all the way from Ireland to watch you.
There was a few girls there that came to watch.
Yeah.
So that was great. Thank you very much for coming. That helped a lot. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the win today.
Okay.
What about you? You played against Kukal?
Yeah, I played against Kukal. Yeah, he's a fine player. He's a good player, but I still think that I could have won, and I had the worst start ever. It was terrible.
Yeah, it didn't look so good at the start.
No, but in the end of the first set, we got a few rallies, and I started to play it more around the four corners, and that helped me a lot. But yeah, it wasn't good enough. But the second set was fine. I was leading the whole time, and got close in the end, and then I lost with 19. And that's just how it is. Some days you're trying your best, but
doesn't go your way.
No, it was shit.
Yeah.
So that's how it is.
That's how it goes.
So I've been practicing this morning, and then I'm preparing for next week in US in Los Angeles. So hoping for a good result there.
Yeah.
And you?
Me too. Yeah, I was training actually in the hotel room this morning. Yeah. Doing some match.
Yeah, I came home. You were doing
some match training.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna train with you tomorrow morning, and then gonna do some running tomorrow afternoon, I think. So get ready and try to get as many games in as possible to get a good feeling on court again, and then I'll be.
The good thing about being here is that we can practice in the main hall, so we'll get a lot of
practice in the big hall because. We don't
get
always have that opportunity. So
it's hard here sometimes with there's a drift and it's very high ceiling. So
it's also good that there's a lot of guys that we can play matches against that we don't always have the same opportunity. So
that's correct.
That's what I'm looking forward to and getting ready for next week.
Yeah.
So
good. How's your draw? Is it?
Yeah, it's okay. Gonna play in Austrian in the first. So it's alright. Looking forward to it. Getting back on into a tournament again and. Hopefully playing better than I did tonight. So
let's do our best, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Good luck.
Cheers.